2 hours away.
Fuck it, woke up, I drop a 10, cause that's just how I'm feeling. Very scrap when I'm out of state, all the shot coming with me. Slime ball.
Watch out the reflector. We're back. It's the day of the car show, and as you guys can see, I am not driving. So that can only mean one thing. We're not in my car. Well, I'm not in my car, and I did not take my car to the car show. So sad, sad, sad. But, you know, everything happens for a reason. And like I said on my IG story, once we get back from the car show, we're going to fix the car. We're going to get it running, get it back on the road. So I'm content. I'm a little sad, yeah, that I'm not mobbing with everybody right now. But it's okay. I just know when I get back, I'm going to get back to my car and get it running again. So we'll be fine. But anyways, guys, the party doesn't stop. I'm gonna keep recording this whole weekend. I'm gonna show you guys all the cars we get in touch with, all the cars we see. So let's get into the video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Today we're going to a car event. It's located in Ocala, Florida, and it is hosted by Atlantic Street Movement. So that's the car show for the weekend. I think it started Friday, but today is Saturday and we're going right now. Woo! In the meantime, it feels good to not be stressing about any tire wear or, you know, from our house, it's like 2 hours away. So it's a drive, Prayers for Dante Lee over here. I mean, you want me to drive?
No, fuck no. Hell no.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Give this video a like, comment down below. Let's get into it.
It's too hot for anything. Bro, should have brought chairs. Going to the
Pretty fire. Let me show you around. They want us to dance. I said dance.
Oh, go ahead.
Toda baby quieren los maleantes quieren toda baby quieren los cantantes quieren toda la puta quieren yeah, yeah, yeah. Esto va suave, esto va suave, esto va suave. Esto va suave, esto va suave, esto va suave. Quieren quieren
We just walked like 50 miles, but look where we got. Best spot of them all. Come on. I don't know what to get.
There's 3 options. Well, 4, but the last one is ice cream, so we can't do that.
No ice cream. I see tacos.
No tacos.
No. Tacos for me and then something else for you. Of the car show. I don't know if I got enough footage, but today we're gonna try to take as much footage as we can because it is the last day out here. Hopefully all the cars are there and it's more packed than yesterday, so I can show you more cars. So let's go see how that goes.
At your party, I'm with the game, and it's gonna be a robbery. So tuck your chain. I'm a killer, girl, I'm sorry, but I can't change. We ain't aiming for your body. Shots hit your brain. We come from poverty, man. We ain't have a thing. It's a lot of animals. my name. Them killers ride me, little nigga, don't get banged. Cause they'll do that job for me while I hop on the plane. She don't like her body, left the doctor with a new shape. Blowing up my phone cause she just see me with my new babe. Heartbreaker ladies love me like I'm Cool J. She was trying to cling on to a nigga, but it's too late. Booked the flight to Cali, racks and condoms in my suitcase. And every single dollar in these bands got a blue face. Diamonds in the rolling in AZ like it's Blu-ray. The way that I've been ballin' should make the cover of 2K. Show out for the summer, I might pull up in a new rate. Listen on the game, that's gonna only get you.
No more battery light. This is one of the grounds that I had inside my car. As you can see, it's kind of like destroyed. So we just switched it. The car doesn't have the battery light anymore. The car is running really good. It doesn't want to die. So far it doesn't want to die. It sounds pretty healthy. I think this ground was the issue, and this ground was over here. Let me show you. Yeah, you're never gonna see it. But the ground was somewhere in there, connected to there. This one is the old one, and I just put the new one in. Okay, fam, we're about to test it out, see if it does the same thing. The battery light is still not on. Before it was on, now it's not on. It's a good sign. Fingers crossed. So far, so good. It's not doing the... Watch out, the reflector.
You gotta drive it hard,
Yeah,
Steph.
but the reflector was there.
I didn't hit it.
You murdered this man.
Yes,
You tortured him.
of course.
Imagine this shit died right here.
Oh my god.
I hope that exhaust just fucking flies off.
In the arms of...
I'm really scared of that.
That we didn't tighten.
That's what I'm really scared of. Right now.
That bolt that's by the bushing keeps spinning, so it's not tightening.
So I feel like that's where your vibration is coming from right now. It's shaking.
You just got a new alternator too?
Yeah.
100% pass with a battery. You want to try to tell it started, then I'll check the alternator.
Said battery pass, alternator pass, so we're good. We finally did it, and I just started my car. No issues, so we're good. Driving and charged the battery, and now we're good. So check your grounds, people. If your car doesn't start, check your grounds. Guys, the only issue right now is the AC. We need to get the AC fixed. Alignment is trash. Look at it. It's driving straight. And it's kind of shaking.
I told you. I don't know why it's shaking like that.
You're the traffic. You would have been in that traffic. Hot.
Coming in hot. Coming in hot.
I don't like how it's shaking right now.
That's what I was saying. I didn't like it, but I was just driving through it. Well,
Oh my god, the seatbelt. Can't post it. We're gonna be good. I need to slow down. Over here is really bad. Go on air.
You need a different one.
different castle note.
Yeah, because niggas no press on this shit.
But
You need a whole new ball joint. This shit like
Fam, as you guys seen, my car turns on with no problems now. I can actually drive it. The only issue is we were trying to figure out the upper ball joint, the bolt that keeps spinning. We're trying to figure that out so I don't end up with my tire flying off. I'm gonna figure that out before I start driving it every single day. I hope you guys enjoyed that car show that we went to. I know it was short, I know it was quick. We enjoyed it. You guys seen everybody has their own style. It could be no camber, it could be camber, it could be aggressive camber. I think they were all amazing. I think everybody has their own unique unique style, their own drip. So I think they were all fire in their own way. Sadly, my car didn't make it, but you know, maybe next show. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. And stay tuned because I have a lot of plans. I have a lot of plans for this channel. You guys will have to see. Especially once I'm done working on the car and I can actually go out and do like pranks or public stuff. You guys will enjoy it more. Stay tuned for that. Put your post notifications on. Subscribe. Comment down below what you thought about this video. What you guys want to see next. See you guys in the next video. Guys, this is just acting. Dante's upstairs in his room editing his video. He's safe and sound. You could text him or whatever.
Murdered this man.